Think of the Amazon Echo Show 15 as the modern, high-tech version of that everything cupboard, or the messy fridge door covered in sticky notes. We all have that one spot in the house where the family calendar, grocery lists, and mail live. The Echo Show 15 just takes all that chaos and turns it into a beautiful, organized 15.6-inch full HD command center. What makes the newest model a total game changer is the built-in Fire TV. It's no longer just a smart display, it's a fully functional television. You can be mid-meal prep and tell Alexa to put on your favorite show from Netflix, Prime Video, or Hulu. When you aren't watching TV, it acts as a digital picture frame, cycling through your favorite memories in stunning clarity. Because this is the Designed for Alexa Plus version, the organization tools are top tier. You can customize the screen with widgets, keep your shared family calendar on the left, your shopping list on the right, and your smart home controls at the bottom. It even features visual ID, so when you walk in front of it, the camera recognizes you and shows your specific appointments and notes. Best of all, buying like new gives you all that premium tech and the sleek wall-mountable design at a much friendlier price point. Click the link below for the best price and finally get the whole family on the same page.